In an era marked by exponential technological advancements, the steady rise of artificial intelligence, AI, casts a transformative shadow on various industries. As AI continues to evolve, it threatens to make several traditional jobs obsolete, reshaping the workforce landscape. In this compelling exploration, we delve into 15 professions that are poised to fade away over the next 2 decades, as AI takes center stage. Chapter 1. The data entry dwindle. As AI algorithms become more proficient in data analysis, the need for human data entry specialists is expected to decline, leading to a future where automation efficiently handles vast data sets. Chapter 2. Checkout cashiers at the crossroads. Automated checkout systems and cashierless stores signal a changing retail landscape, potentially rendering the role of traditional checkout cashiers redundant. Chapter 3. The automation of bookkeeping. AI-driven financial software may soon take over routine bookkeeping tasks, leaving bookkeepers with fewer manual data entry responsibilities. Chapter 4. The rise of robotic assembly. Manufacturing and production lines are increasingly embracing robotic assembly, reducing the demand for manual labor in factory settings. Chapter 5. The changing face of customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are evolving to handle customer inquiries, potentially replacing many entry-level customer service roles. Chapter 6. The transformation of telemarketing. Telemarketing roles may be replaced by AI-driven marketing campaigns, leading to a shift from cold calling to precision-targeted digital marketing strategies. Chapter 7. Driving into an autonomous future. Self-driving vehicles are likely to revolutionize transportation, impacting professions like truck drivers, taxi drivers, and even delivery personnel. Chapter 8. Evolution of agricultural labor. Agricultural robots and drones are poised to redefine farming practices, potentially reducing the need for manual labor in crop cultivation and harvesting. Chapter 9. Eroding traditional retail roles. Retail salespersons could face challenges as AI-driven personalized shopping experiences and online retail giants reshape the way consumers shop. Chapter 10. Journalism in the digital age. AI-generated news articles and automated content creation tools might challenge the role of traditional journalists in certain sectors. Chapter 11. The disruption of routine healthcare tasks. AI-driven diagnostic tools and robotic surgery systems may gradually transform the roles of medical technicians and certain surgical support personnel. Chapter 12. Banking on technological transformation. Bank tellers and certain financial analysts might see their roles redefined as AI-powered systems manage routine transactions and automate data analysis. Chapter 13. Reimagining real estate interactions. Virtual property tours and AI-driven market analysis tools could reshape the roles of real estate agents and property appraisers. Chapter 14. Legal landscape and automation. Certain legal research and documentation tasks could be streamlined by AI, impacting paralegals and legal assistants. Chapter 15. Traditional educators facing change. The rise of AI-driven personalized education platforms could reshape the roles of traditional educators, emphasizing mentoring and human connection. As we stand on the precipice of an AI-driven future, the potential disappearance of these 15 professions serves as a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of our workforce. While these shifts may be accompanied by challenges, they also offer opportunities for adaptation, reskilling, and the emergence of new roles that harness the power of AI. The key lies in embracing change, fostering innovation, and preparing for a world where humans and machines collaborate in unprecedented ways.